Hi everyone. Today, we're unboxing the Orico M.2 PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, a speedy little monster that's officially designed for the PlayStation 5. Here's the actual box, wrapped in a thin transparent plastic seal. Always nice to know no one else has peeked before us. A quick rundown of what we've got. Brand, Orico, yes, it's a Chinese brand. Product name, PS5 Cooling SSD. Interface, M-Key, M.2. Model, OS5. Form factor, 2280. Operating temperature, 0 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Claimed read speed, up to 7,450 megabytes per second. Alright. Let's crack this thing open. Inside the box, the SSD is snugly wrapped in a firm transparent plastic film. We also get the user's manual, which is pretty much expected. Nice surprise though, Orico includes a screwdriver. No need to dig out your old, rusty, questionably reliable one from the toolbox. The user's manual is mostly in Chinese, but there is an English section. The instructions seem geared more toward laptops and desktops rather than the PS5. But honestly, we can figure it out. We're adults. Probably. And here it is. The SSD itself. We just need to remove its undershell. Behold! Held in my bare hand is the bare metal thing. The heatsink is chunky, with these wavy, surfboard-ready fins that look both aggressive and stylish. It actually looks pretty premium. There was a gold-colored variant too, but of course, that one's already sold out. Pain. I picked up the 2 TB variant for 10,523 Philippine pesos, around $178, during a Lazada sale, which is honestly a steal. That's over 40% cheaper than a Western digital SSD with similar specs. Normally, this one sits at around $210, so yeah, my wallet approves. Overall? So far, it hasn't screwed with me. Tune into my next video as I plug this bad boy into my PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.